My name's Mark Edwards. I'm the executive chef of Nobu Berkeley Street and Nobu Park Lane, and the dish we're going to make today is beef new style. So this dish is called new style sashimi. We do it with a lot of different types of fishes. So today we're doing it with beef. We slice the beef thinly, arrange it on the plate. It's then rubbed with garlic, topped with finely shredded ginger, chopped chives. Then there's a sauce of yuzu juice, which is a Japanese citrus, and soy sauce mixed together. And then we sear the top of it with hot olive oil and sesame oil mixed together. So it cooks the top of the beef. Then it's finished off with toasted sesame seeds. The dish has evolved, and basically originally Nobu created it for somebody who didn't like raw fish. So by dribbling the hot olive oil over the top, it cooks the top of the fish, but releases all the flavours from the ginger and the garlic. It was Nobu's way of trying to encourage somebody to eat raw fish and meeting them halfway. This dish is very popular. It's probably one of the biggest sellers. The flavours of the ginger and the garlic permeate through, and with the yuzu and the soy sauce on it, it's very tasty.